Limbic works with any projector or display, not included, and comes with more than 30 pre-installed exergaming and fitness applications to improve your strength, endurance, flexibility, and motor skills. With high-precision motion tracking technology, you get instant feedback allowing you to train effectively and safely. All-in-one swing exerciser C2X with motion sensor. Enjoy playing game, practice on world-famous golf courses, 8 in your home or office. Players may challenge other golfers in a tournament by playing online. Also, after practicing or playing the game, there is a function that can identify problems of the swing through the motion analyzer. Nearly all the laser engravers on the market are either too bulky to take on the go or too pricey to be a good value. The first generation of Laser Pecker Pro was a game changer, combining versatility and affordability. The second generation? A solid disruptive innovation, again. Personal DIY, bulk or offline shop commercial customization, production marking and far more. that give bigger and better prints. Plybot's arms are one of a kind, and aren't just for show. Aside from looking human, the vastly simplified arm design allows it to print bigger, faster, and more reliably. See the print bed? 60% of the printer is printable. Gone are the days of gigantic machines spluttering for hours to churn out one tiny paperweight.
So when I went to science fairs, you get a ton of kids crowding the stores because they just love the arms. They love how it moves like that. They'd watch it for like 15-20 minutes and just entranced by it. That's why I liked about it. No other printers are like that.
Please back us on Kickstarter to help Plybot and everyday 3D printing for everybody become a reality. Plybot, imagination in 3D.
If you're into creative work using 3D printing and 3D imaging technology, you know that high-precision 3D scanners are far too expensive, or they tend to be less than accurate and not up to the standards that design work requires, and they also tend to be devices that are not easy to understand or use. The learning curve is steep before anyone can create good 3D models. To make matters worse, 3D scanners typically use laser or visible light sources that are not safe for the eyes of the user. Mr. Glasses impressively combines style and technology to deliver a totally immersive gaming experience. With ultimate portability, you can play a game like you're really in it. Whether you want to play console games or PC games, EM3STELLAR is the best choice to put yourself at the center of an extraordinary gaming universe. Plug and play with your favorite game consoles, such as Xbox, PS4, Switch, and is compatible with most drones for first-person flying. It is the revolutionary gaming peripheral you have never seen before. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed and all. See you guys again very soon.